Hi there, Dini here, and welcome to my dining area. I'm a paper crafter and designer, and I am the founder of Dini Mini Blooms, which is a paper flower studio based in Rochester, New York. So in this video, get ready with me and package my paper flower pot for shipping. So this video is actually a second part of this topic where I show you how I package my paper flower pots. So I got this question a few weeks ago from Lily, and she asked me, it's like, how do I ship them? So this is timely because my paper flower pots, are my best sellers, most especially for Mother's Day. And I do get, online orders for them. And I most especially also get the question, do you ship them? Of course, the answer is of course yes. So this is how I package them. Similar to the previous video, I do cover the clay pot part of this. You can either tape them, but I do use a string. So this jute string. Let's say about like 16 to 20 inches. That's kind of long, but it's like it's just better for us to have the tie longer. Oh, by the way, welcome to my kitchen. Or our kitchen. Just because my bloom cave is unfinished, like the walls of my basement, or like my bloom cave, what's visible is the backing of an insulation foam. It's like, yeah, I've used them for like a number of things and ways, but it's like, please don't be my basement's walls, but so that's why we're here in my kitchen. Anyway, so there, and then I tie it up.
Hold on, I'm gonna show you.
I tie it up tightly. And so I tie this up in a ribbon, like this. And then what I do bunch this up so that the stones will not fall or fall out. That should be good. You can tie it up again. And this is the portion where you can cover this with bubble wrap. I just ran out of bubble wrap right now, but if I have, then I'm gonna cover it with bubble wrap and then place it in a box and then you're good to go. But for now, I'm just gonna cover it with tissue paper as well, which is equally expensive as a bubble wrap, but so I kind of cover it up. And then you can tie it up again. There. For the box, I usually use this 12 by 9 by 6. I placed down the link of where I got this in the description down below, so you can check that out. Let's assemble the box. I always seal the sides. Then you can use whatever type of fillers you have available. So if you have like the peanuts, the better. What I have here is paper. So like packaging paper like this. You can fill that up. Or better yet, you can use the packaging that comes with your online orders. So this one, I got it from Amazon. So I'm going to reuse it. And then that's nice and secured. And then you can put in your cards, your freebies, whatever you want to add on your package, and then just close it. Honestly, paper flowers are much more durable than how you imagine them, as fragile and stuff like that. So I really wouldn't worry about it being squished. I haven't had complaints when it comes to shipping or, you know, broken pots, things like that. So as long as you have the fillers that, you know, secures it and keeps it like in the middle of the box, so you should be fine. So I just close it. And again, I do secure the sides. And then I have this fancy packaging tape that I ordered from Sticker Mule years ago. I still have some, so I still use it. I just got a portion and then I add water to the back and then just stick it, and then that's done. So one pot is at least £1, and I usually use pirate ship to buy postage. Most especially if the order comes from my website, I do use pirate ship. If the order comes from Etsy, then I buy straight from Etsy because the cost is the same. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions or concerns or things like that, so please do leave a comment in this video, and please do like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!